Hi guys, it's Dan from K-Tec Racing, and today I'm just going to do a little product review on a really popular item that we've got loads of in stock, and this is for the pure track enthusiasts if you own a Megane 3 RS. So it's our KTR Brake Duct Kit, and this comes in both black and also now the yellow option. These sit just behind the front grille of the car. It comes with all the fitting kit to fit them. It may need a bit of trimming whilst you're fitting them. These are the biggest ones on the market. They're actually 76mm intakes. There's a lot of other ones on the market that are smaller than that, so we widened them and tested them to make sure they fit still, which they do, and that's about as wide as you can go before it starts rubbing on things. And that just maximises the airflow into the brakes and cooling down the track. So the kit is, again, one of the most affordable ones on the market. It's £96 including VAT, so for international customers there's no VAT charged on that. It comes with 2 meters of flexible hosing as well that goes direct to your brakes. It comes with some cable ties for the ducts. And like I say, it comes in 2 really cool colours now. I thought we'd go with like KTR yellow as well as an option. These are actually 3D printed in-house by us out of PETG. That's really solid materials. You can see there's not much flex there. They're very, very solid and very robust, so they're not going to break on your car at all. They are heat resistant as well, just to make sure it doesn't start melting in the engine. So yeah, so the kit is in stock on our website. We're really proud to have the best kit on the market, so there will be links in the video below for you to go and purchase them.